Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Safira Aurelia Putri from class 11 TEI 2. In this video, I will tell you about someone who is considered as my best friend and also like family to me. Her name is Natalie Testa Febriani. Natalie, just like me, is currently in grade 11 and in the same major as me, which is electronic engineering. Natalie lives in Sadeng, Gunung Pati. Before that, I want to tell you a little about how I first met Natalie. So, at that time, I was Monday, the first day I went to my new school, SMK Trikendal. At the time, I was looking for my group line, which was Planet Mercury, because I was still a new student. I was still confused and didn't really know Onion. Then over there, I saw Natalie, who also looked like she was confused looking for her line. So I tried to approach her and asked, what planet are you? Then she answered, Planet Mercury. It turned out that we were in the same group. Finally, both of us found the Planet Mercury line. After that, because the situation was still quite and didn't really know Onion yet, I started introducing myself to Natalie and having a little conversation. At first, we just had a normal conversation, such as asking each other's name, previous school, where we lived, and the other small things. But I turned out that from that simple conversation, we became closer and closer until now. Because I came from a different school, at first I was really alone and didn't have any friend in my new school. So I feel quite lucky because on my first day of school, I met Natalie. As time went by, we became closer and spent more time together, starting from going home from school, doing assignments, playing, to telling each other about our lives. In my opinion, Natalie is a kind person. She likes sharing, she is caring, careful, likes telling stories, and the most typical thing about her is that she talks a lot. When I talk to Natalie, sometimes I lose track of time because there I was something she want to tell me. But behind her careful and talkative personality, Natalie also has a sensitive side, especially when it comes to talking about her family. About 1 month ago, Natalie lost her mother. Now, she lives with her grandmother in Sadeng. In my opinion, that is currently not something easy to go through. Even so, Natalie still tries to live her day and continues to be her careful self. As his best friend, I also try to always be there when she needs someone to talk to. Even though I might not always be able to give her a solution, at least I can listen to her stories. For me, Natalie is not just a school friend. She has become my friend to share stories with, my friend to play with, my friend to do a segment with, and my friend to go through many things with during school. You could even say that we refer this is my. There is useful Natalie too. We often go everywhere together, some days do a segment together, and whenever there is a new story, we always tell each other. I am also grateful because among all the people I meet at my new school, I was able to find a best friend like Natalie. In my opinion, friendship does always start from something big. Some these friendship actually start from something simple, like asking, "What planet are you?" just like I did when I first met Natalie. And from that one simple question, I finally got a best friend who has always been there for me until now. So that's my story about my best friend Natalie Testa Febriani. I hope your friendship can continue to last not only during school but also until we both grow up and have our own life in the future. Thank you for listening to my story until the end. I hope this story can make you believe that sometimes the people we meet unexpectedly can actually become very meaningful people in our lives. Thank you for watching and see you next video.